It was really, it was the worst thing that's ever happened in my life so far. The not knowing, the uncertainty, the pain. It really. My name is Colette White. I'm 62 years old, and I've been coming to Active Life for 6 months. I had a total hip replacement in August. I was at a girlfriend's house and I fell. I had the total hip replacement, I went to rehab, I did some PT, and then it was time to move on. I've always been active. I've always been able to do what I want to do. Then in August, when I fell, my whole life changed. A day in my life is getting up and walking on the beach with my dog. I'm a yoga teacher, so I have private clients come to my house, and I also teach at a studio. So I had to stop working once I fell. The accident was a real head, I'm gonna say it, real head f***. Okay, it really messed with my head. I was determined to come back. My husband got diagnosed with MS, and it's progressive, and sometimes he falls. And I have to be available to help him up. And I just said, I have to do this. I have to get strong again. Where there's a will, there's a way, and I'm definitely a survivor. I wasn't a match for a normal gym because I needed guidance. I needed someone to show me, and I started interviewing gyms. The gym down in the West End guided me here, which I thought was really cool. One gym telling a potential client about another gym. That's how I found Active Life. What happened here was I had an evaluation. The questions that they were asking me, the evaluation that they were doing for me, I mean, they got me on a mat and asked me to do a few things so that they could see and prescribe a program just for me. And we started really slow. That's what I love about it. I wasn't asked to do anything I couldn't do. It was all positive steps. We've had a lot of emotional sessions. I was crying a lot. Crying also for joy, out of achieving, out of accomplishing. More sets, heavier weight. And now I'm gonna get emotional. Even when I was making doctor appointments, she was there for me. She was like, call me when you get out of the doctor. Tell me what the doctor says. Let me talk to some of my mentors and see what they say. She's always been there for me, and I never had that before. I found time for myself. Now I'm at the gym 3 days a week. I had to do this work here. Physical therapy was not giving me what this place has given me. And I've also gained friendships. You know, I've met new people, like-minded people. That's the way I want to spend my morning.
I'm dying.
I think it's hot in here today.
You're amazing, by the way.
Thank you.
Full hip replacement, so impressive.
Thanks a lot. I found yoga when I was 40 years old, and I was overweight, and a friend of mine asked me to go to a yoga class, and I went into my first downward dog and had trouble holding myself up, and I literally cursed her out. I went on Weight Watchers at the same time and lost weight started my practice. Okay, my friends, it is so nice to see you all back. It's nice to be back, isn't it? I know there's something about community that really touches home. Touches home. I'm going to read you a poem from Dana Folds. It's called Birthright. Despite illness of body or mind, in spite of blinding despair or habitual belief, who you are is whole. Let nothing keep you separate from the truth. The soul, illuminated from within, longs to be known for what it is. Undying, untouched by fire or the storms of life, there is a place inside where stillness and abiding peace resides. You can ride the breath to go there, despite doubt or hopeless turns of mind. You are not broken. My heart recognizes the light in each of yours, and for that, I am forever grateful. Namaste. It felt good to go back to work. It felt good to get back on the mat. I learned the whole value of the whole scope of yoga, and I take that from the mat into my world. I take this from this building, from this room, into my world. You know, when I had to hesitate to go up a curb to decide which foot I was going up with, I don't have that any longer. The best thing is confidence. I have a grandson that I crawl on the floor with, that I chase all over the place. I chase him all over the place. I was able to hold him as an infant and walk. That was one of my goals. And walking on the beach, yeah. See, like I would have never done that. Like just stepping like that, I would have never done that. I'm just happier. I am happier. And I learned that there's things you can say to someone that's feeling pain, and there's things that you have no idea. The best thing to do is have them open up to you and just listen. I want to be able to accomplish my everyday life without any hesitation. I got to do it. Like right now I'm thinking, can I run? I don't even know if I could. I said to Kate, could I run if my grandson was in trouble? I don't know if I could run. I haven't done it yet. I haven't tried it. I just want to be able to do anything I want to do and feel the confidence and the excitement of the freedom of saying yes. You come here.